Hey, my name's Hunter with Western Heating, Air, and Plumbing, and sounds like your AC is not kicking on. There's a few things we can do to troubleshoot that. First off, let's see if your thermostat is set to cool and desired temperature is set below the actual reading of the home. Alright, let's see if the outdoor condenser is getting power. We're going to check to see if this breaker is tripped or not. Next, let's make sure the electrical disconnect is in the on position. Lastly, let's check your filter. If the filter is dirty, it's going to cause restricted airflow and going to shut your system off. If you've checked these things and it's still not kicking on, don't worry. Give us a call and we'll be right on our way.